Assalamu alaikum, all of you. My name is Shama Ihsan. I'm here to present my research work. My topic is antifungal potential of selected plant extracts against the ochratoxin producing Penicillium verrucosum. Now move towards the introduction. As we all know, poultry is one of the fastest growing segments of the agriculture sectors and feed play an important role in the success of poultry production. Poultry diets are formulated from a mixture of ingredients that include cereal grain, plant protein sources, animal byproducts, vitamin and mineral supplements, and food additives. As since it is used throughout the year, so it is stored for many long times, for months, years, and many factors play important role in fungal growth that contaminate the feed. That is feed composition, prolonged storage, temperature, moisture. Fungal proliferates after getting favorable condition and secrete mycotoxins. Most of the mycotoxins that are considered very important are produced by three genera of fungi: Aspergillus, Penicillium, and Fusarium. Penicillium is an important ochratoxin producer that produce Ochratoxin A in cereal and cereal products. Ochratoxin is nephrotoxic, teratogenic, and immunotoxic. Primary target of ochratoxin is kidney. Sign of ochratoxin toxicity in poultry include weakness, decreased feed consumption, reduced growth rate, reduced egg production, and excessive mortality. Then I discuss about detoxification of ochratoxin that can be done by chemical, physical, and biological method. But in physical method, we use heat treatment, radiations, then sorting, separation. In chemical methods, we use different chemicals, but in chemicals have toxic effect that cause carcinogenity, teratogenity, and hormonal imbalance. So this method is not safe, but biological methods are more effective and safe for ochratoxin radiation, and plants are the rich source of phyto. In this regard, we use plants, and plant are the rich source of phytochemicals. Uh, and In my study, I use four plants, and these plants produce many substances. Ocimum, basilicum, and Eucalyptus globules have bioactive compounds like alkaloids, tannins, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds. These metabolites have antifungal properties. Objectives: isolation and identification of ochratoxin producing Penicillium verrucosum from poultry feed. Termination of the antifungal potential of selected plants extracts against Penicillium verrucosum. Now discuss about material and methods. I use four poultry feed samples that are collected from four different localities of Faisalabad. Then I isolated Penicillium verrucosum on two media. First one is yeast extract grows glycerol agar, and second is malt extract agar. Then identify Penicillium verrucosum macroscopic and microscopically. Macroscopically, I see the shape, texture, and growing zone on media. And microscopically, I use lactophenol cotton blue stain. In my study, I use four plants: Eucalyptus, globulus, Ocimum, basilicum, Medicago sativa, and Arovella. These plants I collected and checked their antifungal potential. Then plant extracts by software apparatus. And first I collect the plant, then shade it, dry it, then grind it, then make thimble and make ethanolic and methanolic extracts, and then concentrated by rotary evaporated, and then solidified. Antifungal activity and minimum inhibitor concentrations are determined by diffusion methods. That is, I use agar diffusion method. And now I discuss about results. This is the mixed culture. It is the result of spreading. I spread feed on growth media. This is yeast success grows glycerol agars, and different microbiota are produced in this plate. Aspergillus, Penicillium, and many other fungi are also present, but bacteria is not present because I use chloramphenicol as antibacterial. Then I isolated pure culture of Penicillium verrucosum. Then I grow these Penicillium verrucosums on malt extract agar. Then identify the Penicillium varicosums microscopically and results of antifungal assay. I used 4 plants and ethanolic extracts of Eucalyptus globulus and Ocimum basilicum showed positive result in antifungal assay, while ethanolic extracts of Medicago sativa and methanolic extracts of aloe vera showed negative effect against Penicillium varicosum. This is the result of methanolic extracts of aloe vera that shown no inhibitory effect against Penicillium varicosum. Minimum inhibitory concentrations, ethanolic extracts of Eucalyptus globulus showed inhibitory effect at 10 mg per ml minimum concentrations. And ethanolic extract of Ocimum basilicum showed inhibitory effect at 20 mg per ml minimum concentration. Then I determine zones of their antifungal activity. Eucalyptus globulus show average zone 9.5 and the positive control. In positive control, I use itraconazole as antifungal that give average 11 diameter zone. In negative control, I use ethanol. Ocimum basilicum average diameter is 7.5 and the positive control same 11 and negative control is 0. I concluded that ethanolic extracts of Eucalyptus globulus and Ocimum basilicum have potential to kill Ochratoxin producing Penicillium species. Therefore, it can be used for subsequent addition in poultry feed. That's all. Thank you for your attention.